David, we have awesome mats, and one here we're going to tell you about today is our Tri-Duro Mat. It's a welding mat.
That's right. This is our premier welding mat. Here's the great thing about it. It's got a ton of good things about it, but here's one great thing about it. This has closed cell construction. It has a bevel overlay. So here's the deal. When your carts are moving, they can pass right over our mat without getting caught up. Here's the other great thing. Made in the United States of America. Here's the other great thing. Because it's closed cell construction, it doesn't hold chips. It inhibits the growth of bacteria. And the top is good up to 3,000 degrees.
Yes.
While the bottom foam is good up to 200 degrees. Feel this mat. It's heavy. It's heavy. Yeah, that's a nice mat. Are you kidding me? If I was welding, I want that mat. We have one other mat I want to talk to you about. Pass it over here. Whoa!
Oh!
What's that?
This is the Tri-Mat 2.
Okay.
Closed cell construction, doesn't hold oil or water. Great on the guys' backs. They love it. Or women. They love standing on it.
I know.
We need to stand on it.
Well, let me tell you something. I can tell you that my wife takes this mat, and when she's gardening, she uses it as a knee mat. It's unbelievable when she's gardening. I'm telling you, the mat works great.
We'll actually cut them for a kneeling mat and a little handle for your wife.
Oh,
for all your customers' wives.
Come on.
Yeah.
That's unbelievable. Let's try this right now. Hold on. Let's throw this down here. That is... Let me tell you something. If you were standing in one place for a long amount of time, this is the mat you want. It is spongy. You're not going to get that spinal compression. That right there is a human resources department dream. Right there. Anytime you're standing for a long period of time, that's the kind of mat you want. I know we've sold these to dealers at casinos. We've sold
salons,
these to salons,
restaurants, showers for the guys.
Showers. Yeah, these are great. I love it. It just feels like you're walking on air.
It feels great.
Yeah, it feels
and that's
like
the best feedback. And
yeah.
they last. We offer a 2-year warranty, and they have a 3 to 8 year life expectancy. Can't beat it.
No, you can't. It's that good.
For more information on Tri-Chem and its reliable products, call 1-800-456-6255. That's 1-800-456-6255.